How to add text animation in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and go to the edit page where you do most of your timeline work. Next, click on the effects library located in the upper left corner, then scroll down to find titles. Here you will see various text presets including basic titles, lower thirds, and more advanced animated titles. To add a simple animated text, drag any of the animated title presets directly onto your timeline above your video clip. After placing the title, select it in the timeline and open the inspector panel on the top right side. This panel lets you customize your text content, font, size, color, and position. For animation control, look for options like transform or settings in the inspector where you can keyframe properties such as position, zoom, rotation, and opacity to create custom animation if the preset doesn't meet your need. To create your own smooth text animation, set a keyframe at the beginning for the starting position or size, move forward in the timeline, then adjust the properties again to automatically generate the animation between these points. Finally, preview your work by playing the timeline and adjust the duration or effects as needed until the animation looks just right. And that's it. Now you know how to add text animation in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.